Help! Help! Bigfoot is chasing me, and he's got a baseball bat! Help!
Would you look at that? It's a man in a suit. His butt is hanging out.
Help! Help! Please! Please! It's about to get me! All right, Rocky. This is the last time you get to raid my fridge.
I'm sorry, I won't do it again.
Tally all, boys, let the hunt begin.
Run! Run! They're gaining on us! I should have looked at that contract closer. Run! Oh dear! 3 days in the stocks! Next time I will read the fine print!
Welcome to the DNA Research Centre. We don't often make mistakes here. But when we do, 2 fine expecting specimens. I wonder what we will get. Well, at least we now know. A horseraph and a Giroux. My. Amazing.
The round-tailed ground squirrel, a real desert survivor, and a very few of them have evolved. Let's just say a tad bit more. Some of them are born with a hard tortoise-like shell, and they protect the rest of the group. Scientists have yet to discover why, as they fight back and are almost impossible to capture. They're extremely efficient at keeping the coyotes at bay, and it is advised to approach a group of them waving a white flag, or you may be shot with a rubber round.